Welcome back to Berdu.id channel. In today's session, we're going to delve into how you can make your website's text come alive with dynamic highlight effects, perfect for captivating taglines on your landing pages. This method differs from the static highlight effects we discussed in a previous video, offering a fresher and more engaging approach. Before we dive into the specifics, make sure you're subscribed to the Berdu channel. Don't forget to like this video and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. From your website dashboard on Berdu, navigate to the layout settings. Whether you're tweaking your main page or a custom page, you can implement these dynamic highlights anywhere. Start by modifying an existing text section or by adding a new one directly through the layout editor. Use the Quick Access Magic Wand tool to select the text section you wish to add the highlight effects. This will bring you right into the layout editor of the chosen text. Once there, head over to the highlight settings. Add a new section. In the text column, input the exact text you want to animate. For example, I'll type "Learn." It's crucial that this text matches perfectly with your content to ensure the highlight appears correctly. Misalignments or typos can disrupt the effect. The default highlight effect will appear here, which is a static highlight. We've already covered this in a previous video. Now click Change on the Design menu and opt for a dynamic effect. You'll be presented with a range of dynamic styles. Feel free to experiment with these until you find one that fits your site's aesthetic perfectly. For a comprehensive view of how each animation plays out, click the full screen preview. For example, I'll choose Typing Effects. Click Select Design. Next, we need to adjust the animation's duration and the delay between animations to get the timing just right. You can adjust the animation duration from as quick as 0.3 seconds up to a slower 3 seconds. Set it according to your needs. Then, for the wait time, this controls the delay between one animation and the next. Under the dynamic text options, list the keywords or phrases that will undergo the highlighting effect. Press Enter to separate each word from the next. These should be entered one after another, setting up a sequence that will automatically animate on your page. If the animation causes any overlapping with adjacent text, you can add spaces before or after the overlapped word to ensure everything looks neat and professional. Lastly, we can change the line color for the typing effect by clicking the color icon here. Adjust it based on your preferences. After finalizing the settings and ensuring the animations are displaying correctly, click Done, and don't forget to save your changes. Now let's view the page. Alright, our dynamic highlight effect is all set. Each word appears in sequence, just as we configured earlier. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below. Remember to like this video, subscribe for more tutorials, and follow us on social media for the latest content. See you in the next video.